Hello, how are you?
Very well, thank you, sir. How are you this morning?
Fine.
How may I help you, sir?
Can I have one bathe with eggs with tomato?
One omelette, sir?
No, let's mix it together.
Absolutely. So one egg.
Yes, please.
One egg with
Tomato.
one scrambled egg with tomatoes, or omelette with tomato.
The first one.
Sorry, sir.
The first one.
Scrambled egg with tomato.
Yes.
Egg scrambled with tomato.
Yes, please.
Absolutely.
Put little onion and little spicy jalapeno.
And onions. And what else would you, sir?
Yeah.
So tomato, onions, anything else?
Yeah, make it spicy, please.
And spicy. Spicy. I'll put spicy. Absolutely. To cook the scrambled egg.
Make it well done.
Well done?
Yes, please.
Absolutely. So egg scrambled.
Why,
I'll put well done.
Yes.
And any toast to go with that?
Okay.
Some white or brown toast?
Please send it
Which
to
would
my...
you like?
You choose.
I'll give you mixed toast.
Yes.
Mixed toast for you. And are you going to have tea and coffee?
No, thank you.
No tea, no coffee. Any orange juice? Any juice?
No, thank you.
No juice at all. So we're going to make scrambled egg for you, well done, with tomato and onions, and make spicy with brown mixed toast.
Please.
Absolutely, sir. You should get this in the next 30 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye. صوتها وايد شخصية. هلو استحيت اطلب منه. والله استحيت اطلب منه، يعني بغيت اقول له جود مورنينج انا اسف طال عمرك وصق التليفون. صوته شخصية اخر شيء يعني، ودقيق وايد دقيق، يعني كل موضوع بيض طماط وايد دقيق. لا يا جماعة والله العظيم سمعوا صوته شخصية.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
And what would you like to add on, sir?
Can we add like orange juice?
Orange juice, absolutely. So one orange juice.
Yes, please.
Anything else, sir?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. تحس كذي طالب شموخ. والله يا جماعة والله من الفشلة ودي انزل انا اسوي البيض. والله يعني فضول انزل تحت بس اشوف هذا المدير الكبير اللي كلمني منه. شكله كذي حسه فخم. لا بروح اشوف والله. ترى صدق بنزل تحت بقول اللي كلمني بالتليفون وينه؟ حسه بدله كذي واقف كذي.